Good day, adventurers, and welcome back to another video of Fable Beard Company. I'm the Apprentice, and today we're going to be answering the question, which foods help grow facial hair?
May your beards be forever blessed, and treasure forever upon your door.
So in the past, we've had videos where I have mentioned that having a healthy diet is key in promoting facial hair growth. So today we are going to talk about some of these types of foods and the nutrients inside the foods that can help promote facial hair growth. So first off, let's talk about testosterone. Now, obviously that's a hormone, so testosterone has a major factor in growing facial hair, but what kinds of foods can affect your testosterone levels? Well, anything with good protein in it. So let's talk about that for a second. So if you're trying to up your protein intake, we recommend eggs, fish, any lean meats. Next, you should also have a good understanding of biotin and the kinds of foods that have that. If you're wanting to promote biotin, we recommend eggs. Again, eggs are good. Nuts, and also any dairy products. Vitamin D is also very healthy for your facial hair growth. To help promote vitamin D, you might look into fatty fish. You can also look into mushrooms and also, believe it or not, eggs. Next, and this one was a little surprising to me when I read it, was iron. Now, iron helps carry oxygen throughout the body. So, what needs good oxygen in order to grow? Well, just like every part of your body, but also your facial hair, the follicles of your facial hair. So if you have a good intake in iron, don't overdo it. If you have a good intake in iron, then it can help carry oxygen to the follicles of your facial hair. Good foods to help promote iron intake would be, well, red meats and even your leafy greens. Next is a fun one. This is omega-3 fatty acids. So you can find this in salmon and even walnuts. So omega-3 with the fatty acids, this is actually going to help you with reducing inflammation around the areas of the hair follicles for your facial hair. Next, there's also zinc. So if you're looking for certain foods to help increase your zinc intake, then there's red meats, poultry, and even oysters. And of course, all of this together, it's important to just take in good veggies and fruits and have a good steady exercise routine. Now, I know that there are plenty of us out there that can grow facial hair without needing to exercise very much, but when you're exercising, that can help promote testosterone levels to go up. So that right there already gives promotion for facial hair growth. So I know that was a lot, because there are a lot of different kinds of foods out there that are healthy for your facial hair. They can help promote and trigger facial hair growth. Look it up, read around, eat around. You know, there are some really delicious foods out there that are going to be healthy for you, but also on the same hand, there are some foods out there that are really delicious that are not going to be good for you. So be careful, do your research, see what works well for you. Adventurers, we really appreciate everything you do for our community. If you have any good insights on good dietary intakes, comment down below on what do you eat that helps promote facial hair growth. If you liked this video, go ahead and like it. And if you have not already, we will ask you to subscribe, share with your friends, and toll the bell so then you can get notifications whenever we do post. Adventurers, thank you so much for all that you do for us, and may your beards be forever blessed, and fortune and treasure forever upon your door. Have a wonderful day.